On behalf of Optimal Media Solution, a division of Times Internet Limited, the Times of India, I, Sabrina, your host for today, is delighted to welcome you all to the 11th edition of the Times Business Awards, Hyderabad. Can we hear it for yourself, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I once again take this opportunity to welcome you all to the 11th edition of the Times Business Awards, Hyderabad. So let us begin today's evening too with the lighting of the lamp ceremony. So without much ado, with your permission, let us call our chief guest for today onto the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, put your hands together for Shri G. Kishan Reddy Garu, the Honorable Union Minister. Let us begin with the first set of awards. The leading ethnic fashion retail group, which goes to Sai Silks, Kalamandir Limited. I request the director of Kalamandir, Kalyan, to please join us on stage. Congratulations to you. Moving on to the Excellence in Retail Company, which goes to RSB Retail India Limited. Congratulations. I request the founders and chairmen, P. Venkateshwarlu, along with S. Rajamouli and T. Prasada Rao, to please join us on stage to receive your award. Congratulations. All right, I think we'll move on to the next category. The most popular brand in bridal jewelry, which goes to Manepalli Jewelers Private Limited. Congratulations. Come on, make some noise. So let us move on to our next category, which is Emerging Designer Handloom Showroom Women, which goes to Varahi Silk. Congratulations. I request the directors, Dr. Spandana, Madhula and Manideep, to please join us on stage. We'll move on to our next category of Outstanding Premium Brand in Veneers, Plywood and Hardware, which goes to Stellar. Congratulations. I request the directors, Ramesh Patel, Dinesh Patel and Sonu Patel, to please join us on stage to receive your award. And now moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, which is the category of Pioneers in Supermarkets. And the winner is Vijeta Supermarkets Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the marketing director, Siddharth Murakonda, to please join us on stage. Let me move on to our next category, which is Excellence in Agrochemicals Manufacturing. The winner is Dhana Crop Sciences Limited. Congratulations. I request the founder and chairman, Dr. Pabbati Venkata Ravi Kumar, to please join us on stage. The category is AI Disruption Startup in FinTech, which goes to Stradux Technologies Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the founder, Abhinav Gupta, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Excellence in Lifts and Elevators Company. The winner is Zilts Lifts Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the co-founder, B. Aditya, to please join us on stage to take the award. Excellence in Sustainable Tourism Leadership in India, which goes to Experium. Congratulations. I request the Managing Director, Ramaguru Ramdev Rao and Sri Lakshmi, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations. Sri Leadership in Tech Solutions, which goes to Brihaspati Technologies Limited. I request the Managing Director, Raj Shekhar P, to please join us on stage to receive the award. And let the claps keep rolling. Come on. The next category is Excellence in Next Gen Automation for Elevated Living, which goes to Per SQM. I request Radha Krishna, the director, to please join us on stage. I humbly request all our awardees to be a little quick on your feet to join us on stage. The award, ladies and gentlemen, I'll call the most popular shopping mall category winner. Once again, I hope they're present over here, ladies and gentlemen. The winner is Mangala Gauri Shopping Mall. So I request Mr. Krishnamurthy Sirna and Vamshi Sirna to please join us on stage. Emerging Brand of the Year Men's Ethnic Wear, which goes to Adharan. So they'll be taking 2 awards tonight, ladies and gentlemen, 2 different categories. So congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us thank G. Kishan Reddy Garu for his time. Thank you so much for being here. Please put your hands together for the ever ravishing, the epitome of beauty, Kajal Agarwal. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for her? Ladies and gentlemen, let me call our first awardee in this session, Most Trusted Diamond Store, which goes to Manepali Jewelers Private Limited. Congratulations once again, the young and dashing youngsters with the young and dashing fathers going to join us. The Managing Director, Manepali Gopi Krishna, the Directors, Manepali Vaibhav Krishna and Manepali Vamsi Krishna. Congratulations. Let me move on to the next category, which is Rapidly Growing Wholesale Clothing Destination. All right. In this category, the winner is MG Wholesale. Congratulations. I request Krishnamurthy Sirna and Vamshi Sirna to please join us on stage. Let me call our next awardee, Leader in Fashion and Retail Industry, which goes to Murray Retail Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the director of the company, Murray Shashidhar Reddy, to please join us on stage. Congratulations to you. Moving on to our next category, the most trusted legendary brand in jewelry, which goes to GRT Jewelers India Private Limited. I request the COO Jitendra to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations to you. While they take the award, I'll call on our next awardee in the category of Popular Decorative Panel Company, which goes to UV Plylam Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the Director Kuldeep Jain and Director Neeru Jain and Riddhi Jain to please join us on stage to take the award. While they take the award, let me call upon our next awardee in the next category, which is the Popular Brand in Ready Mix and Match Women, which goes to Kyra. Congratulations. I request the Managing Directors Dinesh Ramchand Manglani and Karishma Dinesh Manglani to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations to you. While they take the awards, let me quickly call on our next category winner. The next category is the Excellence in Luxury Tour Operator, which goes to 68M Holidays. Congratulations. I request the Managing Director Syed Murtaja Ali to please join us on stage. Let me call our next awardee in the category of Excellence in Manufacturing UPVC Doors and Windows, which goes to Venkateshwara Fenestration Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the Managing Director Raghavendra Mohan to please join us on stage to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next category is the Trusted and Preferred Interior Designing Company, which goes to Homes Interior. Congratulations. I request the Joint Managing Director Vinay Kumar to please join us on stage to receive the award. for our next category. The next category is for the excellence in furniture design, which goes to the Antique Loft, ladies and gentlemen. I request the founder, Samar Khan, and co-founder, Arshad A. Khan, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let us now announce the award for the next category. The next category is excellence in jewelry design and craftsmanship, which goes to Sri Mahalakshmi Jewelers and Pearls. Congratulations. I request the owner, Tej Narayan Agarwal, to please join us on stage. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our next category, excellence in custom-made modular kitchens and wardrobes, which goes to High-End Concepts Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the head of sales and marketing, Rajesh M, to please join us on stage to receive the award. The next category is going to be the trusted brand in overseas education, which goes to Orient Spectra Consulting Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the founder and managing director, Nandaram Srinivas Gaur, to please join us on stage to receive the award. The next category is the popular store in fresh fruits and vegetables, which goes to Pure Own Natural Retail Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the CFO, P. Samuel Raju, to please join us on stage and receive your award. Congratulations to you. Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen. The next category is excellence in quantum and AI innovations, which goes to Quantum AI Global. Congratulations. I request the founder and CEO, Sanjay Chittor, to please join us on stage to receive your award. Congratulations. Moving on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen, emerging traditional jewelry brand, which goes to Devi Pavitra Gold and Diamonds. Congratulations. I request the director of the company, B. Jagadish, to please join along with his team to receive the award. Congratulations. Let me call our next category winner. The next category is emerging brand in UPVC windows and doors, which goes to Winco. Congratulations. I request the co-founder, B. Aditya, to join us on stage. Congratulations to you. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the category Hyderabad's favorite shopping destination, without any guesses. Put your hands together for Nexus Hyderabad Mall. Congratulations. Can we have the regional director, Tanveer Sheikh, center head, Vishant Duggal, and Deputy General Manager Mangesh Deshmukh to please join us on stage. While they're taking their award, let me call on our next category winner. The next category is Excellence in Architectural Glass Processing, which goes to Yesho Tough. Congratulations. I request the partner, Harshavardhan Agarwal, to please join us on stage. Yes, the brothers are here. Congratulations to all the three of you. While they take the award, let me call on our next awardees in the category of Excellence in Themed Interactive Games, which goes to World of Neon. Congratulations. Can we have the founder and director, Sai Kiran, and co-founder and director, Pranay Teja, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Moving on to the next category, Excellence in Home Accessories Gifting, which goes to Karishma and Co. So let's call upon the founder, Karishma Jain, to please join us on stage to take the award. Moving on to our next category, ladies and gentlemen, The next category is Women-Led Vision Award, which goes to Madha Revati, the iconic Infinity Group. Ladies and gentlemen, can we request Madha Revati Garu to please join us on stage for bagging the Women-Led Vision Award. To our next category, Emerging Tech-Enabled Home Interior Solutions. And the winner is Per SFT. Congratulations. I request the founder and managing director, K. Ramakrishna Reddy, to please join us on stage. Let me call on our next category winner. The next category is Excellence in Corporate Gifting and Trophies, which goes to Guru's Universe Private Limited. Congratulations. I request Kamaljeet Singh, Diljit Kaur, Simarpreet Singh and Harjot Singh to please join us on stage to receive the awards. Their award, I would like to call our next awardee in the category of Excellence in Corporate Events. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for We Connect. I request the founder, Namit Narain Jain, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Congratulations, Naren, there. Moving on to the next category, ladies and gentlemen, Excellence in Corporate and Wedding Photography, Videography, which goes to Victory Photo Center. Congratulations. I request the director, Darshan Jain, to please join us on stage to take the award. Next awardee in the category of Excellence in Catering Services, which goes to Guru's Caterers. Congratulations. I request Surender Pal Singh, Harvinder Kaur and Devraj to please join us to take away their award. Congratulations to you all. Well, the next awardee is Excellence in Intelligent Lighting for Events, which goes to Light FX. Congratulations. I request the MD, Manullah, who is called Bablu too, and the director, Shagufta Yasmin and Ayanullah, to please join us on stage to receive their award. Moving on to our next award, which is in the category of Excellence in Sound and Design for Events, which goes to Moz Entertainment Services India LLP. Congratulations. Can we call upon the founders, Prakash Savio and Zakir Aladdin, to please join us on stage to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Excellence in Backline Services for Events, which goes to Gear Shack. Congratulations. I request the founder, Christopher Ferns, to please join us on stage. Congratulations. Do we have Christopher here to take the award? Ladies and gentlemen, Popular Dance Studio category. The award goes to Team Aryan Dance Crew. Congratulations. Can we have Aryan Rajput joining us on stage to take the award? Last award of the evening, Excellence in Climate Tech and Agri-Tech, which goes to Niruti Climate and Ecosystem Private Limited. Congratulations. I request the co-founder and CEO, Mallikarjun Kukunuri, to please join us along with his entire family. Yes, please welcome. All right, thank you so much. That is Kajal Agarwal, ladies and gentlemen, who has taken a time out to be a part of this wonderful event. Ladies and gentlemen, Times Business Awards, 11th edition, 2025. Congratulations to all the awardees.
Times of India Business Awards 11th editionకి ఎస్ఎస్కే నామినేట్ అవటం చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
మనది ఎంజీ హోల్సేల్ అనేది కాన్సెప్ట్ మనము స్టార్ట్ చేసి 3 months అయింది. ఈ 3 నెలల్లోనే ఏదైతే ఆదరణ లభించిందో కొన్ని వేల మందికి మనది ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అయింది. టైమ్స్ తక్కువ టైంలోనే ఎక్కువ టైంలో చేయాల్సిన అవార్డు లభించినందుకు టైమ్స్ నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను.
Thank you. One of a very proud moment for Manipali Jewelers, we can say. The evening was great, and getting a recognition for the best jeweler as the best diamond store and the best bridal jewelry store in Hyderabad, in Telangana. So we feel very happy.